guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carol. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. So today I'm in a different location. Today I'm in my room. So I had another video planned, but it didn't go well. I was trying to use my microphone, but it wasn't really working. I'm not sure what was going on. I tried to Google it, but I don't know. So that video that I had planned is canceled for now, so I had to think of something on the spot. So today I'm going to be painting. I hope that some of y'all are interested in art, and if you're not, then I hope y'all still find this entertaining. So I'm just gonna zoom into the canvas and what I'm doing so y'all can see, and then while I'm painting I'll just be talking about random things which I know that y'all like, so that's what I'm gonna do. So right here I have my water bottle collection. I thought I shouldn't move a lot of the things that I usually have on my desk because I want it to be as natural as possible. This is who I am. This is what my desk normally looks like, a mess with random things. But usually I have like my textbook, my laptop, and just stuff for school. But today, since I'm drawing, this is the little setup we have going on here. Today I want to paint Mickey Mouse, and I want to paint it for my mom, but if I really like it, then I won't give it to her. Yo, I went to get this painting from my living room, or like my upstairs living room where I do my makeup and stuff, because I'm so proud of it. This is my most recent masterpiece. It's SpongeBob SquarePants, and it took me a really long time. I put a gloss over it. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm really proud of it, and yeah. I'm hoping I will finish this today, but if I can't, then I'll do a part 2, because I don't usually finish like my paintings in one day. Like, I take a very long time, but I'm hoping it will be different today. I'm really hard because I had to run over there. I think I should just do the face, so if this is like a complete fail, it won't be on the internet forever. This is my little mixing palette, but it's a little dirty. It's all dry and everything, but I don't really know how to take all of this off. Like, I could probably like scrape it off with a little knife, but I'll probably hurt myself, so I'm not gonna do that. Look, a little ASMR for y'all. Can y'all hear it? Alright, that's enough. I didn't draw it with pencil because I'm just feeling confident like that. As an artist, you might be wondering what my like medium is, like what I like to use, and the answer is I don't really know. I don't really know what I prefer to use. I honestly do most mediums. Like, I use most mediums. I like to use watercolor. I really like color pencil, like Prismacolor, and well, that's not good. Wow, this is why you don't get cheap brushes, friends. I guess I just like watercolor, Prismacolors, and acrylic, even though I feel like acrylic paintings are a little bit hard to do, just because I didn't really start painting with acrylic until I was a senior in high school, so maybe I need a lot more practice. Watch, this is my problem, that I already painted it one color, right? But how do I get that color again? That's just hard. My art teacher did not teach me that. I hope y'all don't care that you can't see my face. There's really not much to see today. I hope none of the people who actually have art channels watch this, because their art is on another level, and I don't know about mine. It's very humble. I guess I'll just talk about how I started to paint and draw and all of that. So since I was very little, I used to draw my name on everything. Like, I'm talking about everything, like dolls, pieces of wood in my backyard, anything. I would draw my name on it, and then I would draw like a sun, a heart, you know, those basic things that children draw. And I think my parents always knew that I would, you know, be into art and that type of stuff, or that I would, I don't know, maybe be an artist. But when I actually started taking art seriously was probably in high school. I kept doing art, like having art classes and all of that throughout middle school, but when I actually started to take it seriously was my last year of high school, and I ended up going into AP art, which I never thought I would actually do because I didn't really consider myself like an advanced artist or anything like that. I just thought I did art for fun, not really like that serious. I didn't really think I was that good, but I feel like that year I really showed everybody. I really showed myself, actually. I showed myself that I could, you know, do art on another level, and that, you know, it was doable for me. I just had to work really hard and practice, and I just had to learn how to fix mistakes. I remember one time I was sitting next to my friend, and I don't know what she was doing. I think she was playing with somebody, or I don't know what they were doing, but she ended up spilling some ink on one of my paintings. Yeah, I think it was like a painting. And I was so upset because it was looking really good, and I think it was our first time learning about, like, I don't know, some type of ink. I don't remember what it was, some type of ink, and it was coming out really good. And I had drawn these like trees, or yeah, I think they were like trees or pines, something like that, and I was really proud of myself, and everybody was like, wow, they look so good. And I had everybody impressed in there. And then she did that to me, and I was pissed. But it was just an accident, and after that the teacher went over and tried to help me fix it. So that was the first time that I kind of learned that lesson, that things have to be fixed, or that things can be fixed. You know, like there's always a solution, like I say in other videos of mine. Like with the hair dryer, I'm just gonna dry it on the cool setting because we don't need the warm setting, right? Y'all can hear a dog barking. Just know it's my dog. He's outside and he likes to fight with the neighbor's dog. Yikes. This is scary. If y'all have some tips, I would love to hear them in my comments. If they're nice tips. If they're stupid, then don't even comment, because I will delete it. Maybe I should have painted the background last, but I didn't really think about that. So, can't do nothing about that now. My mom has an obsession with Mickey and Minnie Mouse. She has a bunch of those little like teddy bears or like plush toys, and she likes to collect them. She even made one of her friends bring her one from California, like a giant one, because she had the Mickey Mouse, so she wanted, or I think she had the Minnie Mouse, but she wanted the Mickey Mouse. And once I even caught her sleeping with it. So yeah, That's why I thought about doing this for her, because you know, she has an obsession, she needs help, but I'm just gonna help her fuel it. I'm gonna tell you about this one story. So once it was Halloween and I had made some cookies and I decorated them, and it was just for fun. I wasn't trying to sell them either. So I decided to make them, and then I posted them on Snapchat on my Instagram story. And then this one guy that I know from high school sends me a message, and he's like, you should just stick to makeup. I was like, beep. I was like, I think the fuck not. And so I blocked him, because who did he think he was to come on my Snapchat and have the audacity to tell me that? Like, it wasn't that serious, it was just for fun, and I was very much offended, as if I can't have other talents or other hobbies. Like, people need to mind their business. Why can't we just let people live, do the things they like to do, even if they don't do them well or up to whoever's standards? Like, that's just whack. Like, just mind your business. And it's the same people who have no type of talent, no type of determination. They don't have none of that. So I don't understand why they should even be talking when, you know, they don't got no type of anything going for themselves, but they do want to talk that trash. So yeah, that's my little story time. Like, I also think, how will you ever get better at anything if you don't do like things that are ugly or they don't look well? Like, you have to practice it. So it's just so rude when people want to talk about how they don't like something, when, you know, it's gonna take time for you to get better at it. But once you do improve how you do things and you get better, now all the people who didn't believe in you, or who would call you weird or point their finger at you because you were trying to do something, now they want to come around and be like, oh my god, I'm so proud, I'm so proud. Like, no, you did not believe in me, so you need to stay away from me because you're a hating ass bitch. I went to go eat a little lunch. I let it dry. I just did another layer so it wouldn't, like, the blue wouldn't peek through. And I'm just gonna keep working on the rest of it, and I'm gonna fast forward it, and I'm not gonna talk because everybody's home now and they're being loud as fuck. Alright guys, so I'm done. I'm not completely finished. I still want to fix some little details on it, but I'm practically done and I'm just gonna show y'all. So this is what it looks like. I wasn't going for this, but I think it looks like a friendly Mickey Mouse. Actually, I kind of think it looks like the gangster Mickey Mouse, but that wasn't on purpose. It just turned out like this. I started to do these little things with the palette knife just because I didn't know if I liked the background, especially because I couldn't get the color right and it just looked like messy and ugly. But I think this looks a little bit better, even though it's also messy. It looks more abstract. So I hope y'all liked it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, watching me paint. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.